I met a dog yesterday that sat next to me, licked my face at the coffee shop. He currently lives at the rescue, and I bawled my eyes out when I said bye to him. And I can't stop thinking about him. I wish I could bring him to California, but let's go to the rescue. Once I got here, no one helped me, and it seemed like a self-service type of place, so I found my way to the dogs, found a big bag of treats, and met so many friends as I was searching high and low for the dog I met yesterday. I met a dog named after one of my best friends, so I loved him. Finally, I found him, and he was so somber and low compared to literally just yesterday when he was the sweetest, most friendly dog at the coffee shop. But I was able to take him out of the kennel and to a patch of grass with a volunteer. I decided to name him Little Blue because of those blue eyes. And yeah, there's no ending to this. I bawled my eyes out afterwards and could not film that, but I did go back the next day, so stay tuned for that.